Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you cow's cod and broad bean brown stew. So you're gonna need a teaspoon of browning, a pound, half pound to a pound of cow's cod and nuts cut to. You won't see how the cow's cod is prepared for cooking. If you'd like to see how the cow's cod is prepared for cooking, visit my cow's cod soup video. So you're going to need a tablespoon of sea salt, or a teaspoon as well, depending if you're cooking the entire pound. I'm just cooking half pound today. A spring of thyme, 2 stalks of scallion, 1 large onion, a small tomato, a quarter or half piece of chocha, pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, about half or 1. You're going to need a teaspoon of white vinegar, and in the end about 1/4 cup of ketchup or less. A tablespoon of parsley, dried or fresh, a tablespoon of basil, dried or fresh, a teaspoon of rosemary, dried or fresh. If it's dried, grind it fine. A teaspoon of pimento berries or seed. The seed is in the berry. Oregano, a teaspoon of oregano, and a teaspoon of marjoram, or if it's not oregano, it's oregano. Whole cloves, about 4 whole cloves. Turnip, a small turnip. Less than 1/4 cup of cooking oil and water. And 1/4 cup to half cup of beans. Look at these. This is Jamaica grown broad beans. And garlic, 6 to 8 cloves of garlic. So we're going to soak this, but wash it first. With a little white vinegar, just help me wash it, and let's wash it. Wash it until it's white and pretty. Wash it until it's white and pretty. Yeah. See, it's dirty. So let's remove this and put fresh water and allow it to soak for at least 30 minutes or half an hour or an hour. Alright, so you just put this to soak for half an hour. You soak this to release the gas, and it's gonna burst mainly. Alright, while we wait for that, we're gonna prep seasoning. Alright, to cook this we're going to add the seasoning twice. So this is first add 1 and add 2. With your garlic, smash them. Half over here and half over here. Onion, strip this off. Only this scallion. Strip that off. Strip the whole leaf off. And usually just slide it right off. Just do that. Time now. So we'll rinse these out. And that's the onion. Rinse these off half of the time over here, half of the scallion. Rinse these off half over here. Half over there. Just gonna slice this, peel it. Sharpen knife, let me work faster. Cut off everything, the bad things. Yes, that. I'm in a second alley. Turnip. Just peel it. Just peel it all off. And just dice it like that. Put it in the second alley. Pepper spoiling, but is it alone I have, so let's cut a bad piece off. Put it in the second alley. Tomato, I'm going to cut it because I just want it to cook in the stew and give flavor. And show them the spoil. Just cut off the spoil piece and use this waste. Sorry, I never have a gardener, I'll just throw it in there. Alright. Look at it. Let's put it in the second alley. Pimento berries. A teaspoon. Half over here, half over there. That's what the berries look like. Parsley, a tablespoon, half over here, half over there. Basil. You know, it dawned on me the other day that I don't season my meat and soak it and all of that. And some of you guys might be wondering how come I don't do that. But sometimes for meat, I don't think it's necessary. Season while it cooks, it will flavor. So the oregano or oregano, a teaspoon, half over here, half over here. marjoram, half a teaspoon over here, half a teaspoon over there. Whole clove. I need more than that, but that's whole clove. Whole clove. There's this little bulby thing. 2 over there, 2 over there. This is strong, you don't need to use peppers. Salt, tablespoon. Half over here, half over there. So that you won't forget, put the white vinegar in the second ad. Alright. Rosemary. Teaspoon. Just grind it up fine. And half over here, half over there. While you wait, it would be good if you can cover these. Just cover them and put aside. This is the cow's cod. This is the muscle part below the cod, and these are the cods. This is the testicle. This thing, this tastes like kidney. Or a piece of ginger. Just strip it, just to make a point, because I don't think I'll be making a curry, cow's cod curry, broad beans. So to do the curry, because we're about to put down, we're about to pressure it right now. Instead of using the browning, you use the curry, but you burn it first with the garlic, and then you add the cow's cod, the chunks, cow's cod chunks, and then the seasoning, and then you stir that in for 30 seconds, cover it, allow it to simmer for a while, add the water, and then cover it and pressure it. The beans take 20 minutes to tenderize, as well as the cow's cod take 20 minutes to tenderize. So with this ginger now, just cut it in 2 pieces, put one in. Put a piece in there, piece in it. This is the beans. They shrivel up. So let's remove the water now, and we're gonna pressure cook it with the cow's cod together. Now, use to a pressure cooker pot, add oil. Add oil. Once the pot is dry, just add the oil. Put your stove gauge on 6. That's like medium high or high. Add oil. Let's wait for a minute for it to get hot. Get your browning ready. This is the cow cod. Alright, this is the testicle part, big round testicle. Like I said, if you want to see the prepared, just visit Cow's Cod Soup. This is the long part that we slice to chunks. And this part is the muscle part below. Right. Add one. Add the water. Oh, we can add beans too. So add the water and the beans. Just allow that to simmer for about 3 minutes with the stove gauge still on medium high. Add 3 cups of water. If you're cooking more than I'm just cooking half pound, so if you're cooking like a pound, use 4 cups of water. Put your lid on. Once it comes to a whistle, we're going to time it for 20 minutes. Alright, once it comes to a whistle, put the stove gauge on low and put your timer for 20 minutes. Now, after 20 minutes, just turn it off, allow it to cool. If you're in a hurry, don't ever let this up. The flavor will escape. Run this over tap water until the pressure releases right here. Then you open it. But just wait for it to cool. Okay. It's cooled. It took about 8 minutes to cool. This is what it looks like. So you just want to make sure it's tender. So the fat go through. Being tender too. So you just turn the stove back on. Put it on for medium. Add seasoning 2. All the ingredients are in this, so you stir it in. That's what you want. You want it to thick like this. You might have to add a half cup more water, but we'll see. Cover it properly. After a minute, when it comes to a boil, just cover it properly and put the stove gauge on low. Not extremely low. You can gauge it between low and off, but low, not that's how low it is. It's low simmering. Just to say, keep it covered. You don't want to open it every minute, and every time you open it, the sweat that would make up the gravy escapes. So keeping it closed is a part of the cooking technique. Because really, what's left to add is just the ketchup at the end. We're just going to simmer this until it sticks to gravy. But we don't want to cook it fast. Alright, it's been 20 minutes stewing on the same low, very low. And this is what it looks like. Honestly, this is the first time I'm opening it since I showed you last. So the gravies, you can remove the pepper if you want. So it's stewing, is cooking down. and the vegetables are cooking. So just cover it back. The reason I'm just showing you, that's the only reason why I open it. So just cover it, allows simmering or stewing. Let's get the carrots ready. There's this. So it's 35 minutes stewing total. The carrots. See, the gravy is soft. So now add the ketchup. Add the ketchup. Turn the stove on 4 medium high and stir it in. Just turn the stove up. We're going to thicken it for 2-3 minutes and then we're finished. Keep it covered properly. Now after 2 minutes, this is what it looks like. Just remove the time stick kind of. Once it starts to stick to the bottom, that's a sign to say it's going to be sticking up. Alright, so after 5 minutes, turn it off until you're ready to serve. So the stewing part take about 40 minutes, 35 minutes on low and 5 minutes on with the stove turn up to about medium. Serve it. So that's Cod's cod broad bean. Cod's cod broad bean brown stewed. You can eat this with any boiled hard food like yam, dumpling, banana, pumpkin. You can eat it with rice as well. So that's how it looks. Smells nice. Alright, this part. This is the nuts, testicles. I'm gonna taste it. Wow, it tastes like kidney. I have a mix between kidney and liver taste. And this the long part. Just taste it. Exotic food. You know, this remind me of, you know, soup meat. That little white part on the meat. It's not fat, but it's kind of clearish white. That's what it tastes like. It's the meat part, the muscle. That looks disgusting. So that's it. So this is Jamaica ground bean, this black one.